This is a geometry quiz preparation for Chapter 7, Quiz 1. And first of all, the topics that could be on that will be on this quiz are things like simplifying ratios. You can pause this video at any time to just stop and look at what just happened. I'm just showing you some ratios that have been simplified. Some of them have units, some of them have variables, things like that. Another topic is writing ratios, where if I give you some figure with numbers and I ask you to write the ratio, something like the length of BA to the perimeter of the triangle ABC. You'll have to figure out what the perimeter is and then simplify it. Or I could ask you for the side AC to the side AB, and again, simplify that ratio. That all ratios always simplified. And the next topic would be solving proportions. So here are a few examples of some proportions that have been solved in a variety of manners, either using cross multiplication, or if I can get denominators to be the same, then I know the numerators are the same. Or another for solving proportions, I could give you a situation like this triangle, the triangle PQT, and give you some measurements, and I'm asking you to find RT. Now please note that I give you the length of QT is 15. So those two pieces, QR and RT, each, I don't know them. One of them is X and the other would be 15 minus X. You can choose. In a figure like this, you could have chosen the QR to be X and RT to be 15 minus X. But as long as you put the proper parts in the proportion that was given, and then solve for the X, and in this case, X is RT, so that was the answer to that. The last little bit is that on vocabulary. Now, I'm not going to ask you for all these terms, but this is the vocabulary we've had so far, and you should be prepared to define any of these terms or to identify them. So congruent figures, similar figures, ratio, extremes, mean, and proportional. Be able to identify any of these things or define them. That's what you should be prepared for the quiz tomorrow.